Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. Let's start with the question. Use the marking tool to identify a detail in paragraph 3 that explains how meteorologists predict the weather. There's a lot going on with this question. We need to know where it's happening, and we're looking for a specific explanation of how. That word's really important. So we need to count paragraphs. Then we need to know how, in paragraph 3, meteorologists predict the weather. And remember, predicting is making a guess based on information, right? So I'm going to predict something is going to happen. All right, so let's count to ourselves as I go. Here's paragraph 1, here's paragraph 2, and yes, you're right, here is paragraph 3. Okay, so in this paragraph, we're looking for how meteorologists predict the weather. Now, some of you might have chosen this first sentence. Meteorologists record patterns of weather across different types and areas so they can predict the kind of weather that might happen next year. All right, that makes sense. Meteorologists record patterns of weather across different times and areas, okay? Now, the problem with this, though, is that this is what they do. Let's go back to the question. You're looking for how. Doesn't tell you how here. So let's continue to read. Weather is the temperature and other outside conditions at a particular time and place. That's the definition of weather. Simply when you look outside the clouds, and that's an example of how you can see the weather. Meteorologists use graphs and charts to record information like average temperatures, precipitation, and wind. Precipitation, remember, is like rain. It is rain, the rain that comes down from the sky. So this is the how. Meteorologists use graphs and charts to record information like average temperatures, precipitation, and wind. So this is the answer to this question.